Welcome back, everyone. This is, I believe, day 12 for this 31-day video challenge for the month of July. I am surprising my daughter. We are gonna go out to Lake Michigan for the evening. Gonna let her swim in Lake Michigan, probably grab something to eat, and then we're gonna watch the sunset. She's been down lately, so they just had to put her horse down, so she's been taking that pretty hard. So I figured, why not take the bike out, enjoy a nice cruise over to Lake Michigan, and then just spend the evening there. So that's what we're gonna do. She has no idea what we're doing, so hopefully she'll be surprised. And this is probably gonna be the only commentary that is on this video, because I'm just gonna document little stuff here and there and spend time with her. So stick around and enjoy what we have in store for you. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. All right, so we are ready to go. She still has no idea where we're going. She's being a little camera shy, but got everything loaded up. Everything that we're gonna need for this trip. So we're gonna get on the road because we're losing daylight. So enjoy the B-roll shots on our way over to wherever we're going. So don't want to say too much without giving her a hint on where we're going. All right, so we just got to the lake. It cooled off quite a bit when we got close to the lake shore. So, were you surprised? Why are you being so camera shy? Usually you're not. But we're gonna go get changed and then head down to the water. Hopefully it's not too cool. Huh?
Ice cream.
Ice cream? We'll get ice cream later, all right? Well, we're gonna go to that restaurant over there, the Deck. That's where Mom and Dad always used to go on date nights. And we're gonna get some food from there.
Swing?
Oh, we can see if they got the swings available. I know they got the swings, but if they have some available for when yes, I know. If there's any open by the time we go up there and get food, is what I'm saying. Yeah. And I think they're playing some music too. They got really good food. Hopefully you like what they have. They might have a kids menu, I'm not sure. Yeah, but we're gonna go get changed and hit the water. So talk to you soon. Let's go see how cold the water is. Cold? Oh yeah, it's sticky.
Take your camera. Dad, I want to do a backflip.
Do a backflip.
From this.
All right, now let me do one. I might have to go out a little deeper because it's pretty shallow right there.
And I have to go.
Ready?
Yeah. You did a backflip.
Water is actually really refreshing. But I'm gonna go back up the shore, put the camera by my stuff, and spend time with the daughter. All right, so we're done swimming now. She's starting to get hungry, so we're gonna go get changed, rinse her feet off because they're covered in sand, and the water was really refreshing. Go get changed, and then we're gonna head over to the deck and get some food. What do you think about that? all dressed into some dry clothes, and now we're gonna head on over to the deck to see if we can get in some swings and get some food ordered, because we are both starving. I haven't ate much all day, and I'm pretty sure, well, she's been home all day, so I'm pretty sure she's been snacking. But hopefully we don't have to wait too long. It looks like it got a little bit busier since we first came through. So fingers crossed.
I hope they have some swings open.
Yeah, it'll be nice. Had dinner, now we're treating ourselves to some nice cold ice cream. She got mint chocolate chip, I got vanilla because I'm plain as hell. Dinner was pretty good. I had a smoked chicken burrito bowl, and she ended up with chicken strips. Yeah, we got another hour or so until the sun sets, so we're just gonna hang out here until then. Then we're gonna walk out to the pier and then catch the sunset. Big look. So now we're gonna head out to the pier. The sun is slowly starting to go down already. So by the time we end up getting out there, I probably won't have much longer until it actually goes down. She's having a good time. At least I hope she is. So we had every intention on going all the way down out to the end of the pier, but they have it blocked off because they're doing some remodeling on it. So we just popped a squat right next to these rocks. Sun's about to go down. She's over here on my phone again, but that's okay. I really had a great time out here with my daughter. We've been out here for almost 3.5 hours now. We swam, had dinner, had ice cream. She played on the park for a little bit. And now we're just gonna enjoy the rest of the evening and watch the sun go down. Anything you wanna say? It's all right. But this is gonna be the end of day 12. We're gonna watch the sun go down, and then we're gonna head on home. So, thanks for tuning in. If you're new, make sure you guys go hit that like and subscribe button. It would really help me out. With that being said, I will see you guys on tomorrow's episode. Peace.